What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to manage your automated email campaigns. So for that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. All we have to do is to make sure you sign in with your Mailchimp account, and the link will be in the description below. On the left hand side you will see the automation tab. In the automation tab, just click over here. To manage your automations in a free plan, you first need to understand that Mailchimp now limits free users to single-step journey, such as a classic welcome email that sends immediately after someone joined your list. Start by clicking on the automation icon on the left-hand sidebar, and once you have selected that, just go to the customer journey builder to see your available options. So here, over here, you will see find and welcome new clients. Over here, you can see that there's a message, welcome new contacts. Anybody who will subscribe to your list and will be added to your contacts, there will be an automated email that we can send to that person who joins the list right away. So this is one thing. While complex multi-step flows requires a paid upgrade, you can still create an effective automated response by choosing the welcome new subscriber option, which I have just told you, and the template which is perfect for delivering lead magnets or introductory messages. Once you select the template, ensure your audience is correctly linked, and then click on the email icon to customize your content using the drag and drop editor. For example, if I'm gonna use this flow, I'll just click on the use this flow option, then I'll be able to edit it. Here's filler who can enter the filter who can enter the people who gonna sign up with our sign up to our list, and then we can create the email over here. So we can add the contact, do everything. We can add it, the schedule, subject, to and from, and all this stuff. So this is one way to do it. After designing your email, click save and return to the journey map where you can review the trigger settings to make sure the email goes out to the moment a contact is added. Because the 2026 free plan has a strict limit of 250 contacts and 500 monthly sends, it is very important to monitor your usage tab under the account settings. So for that, you can always go to your account setting and see that if you use your the limit or all that stuff. So there's a limit to 50 or 500 contacts per month that you can 500 emails that you can send, and 250 contacts that you can add to your list for the free plans. And this is how you guys can manage it. Make sure that you double check everything, you keep it in touch. But if you want to go to the paid plan, I can give you the uh, information regarding how you can manage with the paid plan, but this is the video dedicated to the free plan. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.